Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Melike from EnglishCentral. Welcome back. Today we are going to learn about simple past tense. First things first, what is the simple past tense? Well, it is a verb tense that we use to describe the actions or the events that happened in the past and are now completed. In English, we typically form the simple past tense by adding ed to regular verbs. As an example, the verb walk becomes walked in the past tense. So you can make sentences like, the old lady walked slowly. And there you have it. You just formed a sentence in the past tense. Let's do a couple more. She looked lonely. They loved their birthday gifts. However, some verbs can be a little tricky. They are called irregular verbs. They don't follow the same ed pattern. Instead, each irregular verb has its unique past tense form. As an example, see becomes saw. Let's take a look at 5 most commonly used irregular verbs in English. Go becomes went. Come becomes came. Tell becomes told. Eat becomes ate. And drink becomes drank. The sentences with some of these verbs should look like this. I went home early. She came before midnight. You told them everything. They ate and drank until they fell asleep. Practice makes perfect, right? Using irregular verbs requires practice, and you know where to find it. English Central has more than 20,000 video lessons and 200 plus video courses. Click on the link below to visit our website EnglishCentral.com or download our app English Central to check out our educational materials. We also offer you 1 free lesson with our teachers so that you can check it all out for yourself. For now, let's continue. Talking about verbs that change their looks, let's keep in mind that do becomes did in the past tense. This is very important because when we form question and negative sentences, we will use did. Another important thing to remember about did. The verb following did has to stay in its base form. Let's dig deeper and give some examples for better understanding. When you form a negative sentence, you must add didn't or did not after the subject. As an example, I didn't hear what you said. If you want to form a question sentence, what you need to do is to add did at the beginning of the sentence. If it's a negative question, add didn't or did not. Examples. Did you do your homework? Didn't you do your homework? Before we end this video, let's remember what we learned. In the simple past tense, when we form a sentence, the verb is affected. If the verb is regular, it just takes ed. As an example, touch, touched. If the verb is irregular, it changes its whole look. As an example, see, saw. Do becomes did, and the verb following did stays in its base form. Would you like to learn more? Keep watching our channel and you will find out. Or if you feel impatient, you can click on the link below and visit our website to learn more about it. If you like this video, please consider giving us a like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Don't forget to comment. I'm thrilled to see what you guys think. Until next time, take care!